What's up, my dudes? We made it. We're on Lake Guntersville. I'm gonna get my boat ready. My engine has 0 hours. The units, the Solix 15s have 0 hours. I've installed them last week. We are gonna review those, but we're also gonna do some fishing, so I hope you follow me on this journey. It is cold outside, but it's supposed to be a beauty day. We're talking 22 Celsius for you Canadians and around 70 Fahrenheit for you Americans. We're gonna get out here. It's pretty, a lot of boats. Lake Guntersville is, for those watching that don't know about Lake Guntersville is the most pressured lake in North America when it comes to bass fishing. There is ramps everywhere, and the ramps are filled during the week. So we're on the weekend right now, and the ramps are filled as well. It's all bass boats. It's crazy. I've been here a couple times so far, and the fishing is usually tough. You need a pattern, you need that right color, you need that right size line and everything. So we're gonna get at her and see what we can do. What's up, guys? We're on Lake Guntersville. As you can see, this is a new camera for me, so you guys got to bear with me. I bought this camera just for you guys so you guys can get better footage, my intros and everything. Today we're gonna film with a Chesty GoPro. I'm gonna film all day on Lake Guntersville. We're gonna follow my day. I hope you guys enjoy this. We are gonna unleash the beast and test out these bad boys. I don't know if you guys can see right here. The Solix 15s. Let's get out there, catch some fish before everybody else catches them. So here's what I'm thinking, boys. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to chart. I don't know if you guys can see with the reflection. I'm gonna zoom out here. I'm gonna get out of this creek here and it's still way upriver. So I'm up here thinking of driving all the way down here and here. Peter Powder, let's get at her. Let's send this bad boy. There's about 5 tournaments going on right now, and each of those tournaments have about 100 to 250 boats. It's insane, the boat traffic on this lake. I've fished this lake numerous times before. Lucky enough to fish with Casey Martin a year ago exactly. Finished at Bass Cat Invitational. We finished second. So close to winning a boat. But let's go find some deep fish in the morning, and then we'll focus shallow when it gets warmer. So deep fish first. Don't call it really ledge fishing. Sorta is. So I just got here. We're gonna fish this creek channel that goes on a flat. A lot of fish will stand in the deeper end And where the sun moves up and warms up this flat, don't move on this flat. So I'm gonna shut her down here. All right, welcome to Lake Guntersville. What are we gonna throw first? Okay, this rod's empty. What do you guys think we're gonna throw first? We're in Alabama on Lake Guntersville. What should I tie on first? Comment in the description right now what you think I'm gonna tie on here. Don't cheat. Don't be a cheater. Of course we're throwing an Alabama rig in Alabama. What kind of question is that, boys? As soon as I paused it. Nice little 2-pounder. And these fish are strong here. So here's a bass, boys. Look at the colors on his eyes. Definitely got caught before. They see a lot of pressure up here. But, you know, I got bit really early in the morning, so that's a good sign on the A-rig. All right, he goes back, little 2-pounder. Fish. There you go. Nope, keep him on. He's running with me. There you go. Another white bass. They hit hard, these things. Be careful with all the hooks. Look, he got pinned twice. 1, 2. He was hungry, this little guy. They're pretty. They hit hard. They don't fight much, but you know, this is it's like a perch, but very aggressive with a mouth bass. It's got to be pounding a quarter. Goes back. Fish. As soon as I popped it. That's a white bass. As soon as I popped it, caught this white bass, boys. I got hung up. I choked it. So that's a white bass. There's tons of them here. It's about 1.5 pounds, 1.25 pounds. And it became heavy. On the rig.